Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Forward skating is how most of the moves on the ice begin, so it's worth getting it right.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Start with the feet in a V shape and keep your arms up to help with balance. Step 2. Bend both knees and push off using the inside edge of the blade, not the toe rake. Step 3. Push onto the outside edge of your skate. Step 4. Transfer your body weight from the pushing foot to the other foot and glide. Step 5. Close your feet together, bend your knees, and repeat.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
The movements should flow and look effortless. Stand up straight, look straight ahead. Keep your free leg well stretched out. Open the pushing foot fully. Don't lunge forward. Don't skate on straight legs.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Keep your feet in a V position. Bend your knees. Push using the inside edge of the blade to the outside edge. Transfer your weight. Keep your feet together. Bend your knees and repeat.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.